Good day everyone, and welcome to another Dutty News, where I talk about random things that are happening on my timeline. Well, let's get into it. These are our top stories. Elaine set to leave MVP.
Let's go.
Well, I guess that's the end of that era. Now, it's also being reported that she will be coached by her husband, Herah.
I hate to say it, I hope I don't sound ridiculous. I don't know who this man is.
It looked like Elaine say,
"It was good for Megan Topper. It was good for Megan Topper. It was good for Megan Topper. So it be good enough for me."
Now, our news team made several attempts to contact Coach Stephen Francis, but it was unsuccessful. However, this is what we heard as his voicemail.
You know what I'm capable of? Talk all the shit you want, because I'm here to stay. I'm not done.
Now to our next major story. Ruel Reed is still receiving millions in Jamaican tax dollars. Now continuing with our stories, Uncle Vax protesters storm the Capitol.
Is demanding freedom, and we are saying no to mandatory vaccination. It should not be a case where it's take a job or lose your job.
That was really clever. Take the job or you lose your job. Can I get a round of applause? That's brilliant. That is actually brilliant. That is a slogan if you ask me. And now to our top business stories. Teaspoon of sugar is now for sale. You know, honestly, this is serious because this is what a teaspoon is.
This is crazy.
Now get ready for this one. Oral Tracy ventures into music. I'm not really sure if the name there, Oral, is really good for like an artist name, because can you imagine before him hit a stage show? It's a brand new dancehall artist on the scene and he goes by the name of... Yo, why for this? And now to this developing story. Now, a man sprung from his vehicle after being honked prior to the light changing to green. After that, there was a one-sided crunk battle in the streets. Now let me just tell you this, do not ever attempt to try this in Jamaica because you will get... Alright, so we'll be right back, but first, our viewer's choice question.
So alright, you love your mother unconditionally, love your mother, go on to bed. But me could say, your granny and your mama in an argument, and your granny box your mama in her face. What you gonna do then? What you gonna do then?
Welcome back to Dutty News. Now let's get to our Ray stories. A Chinese family takes on an unruly customer in a very exciting ding-dong verbal challenge.
Suck your
Oh my gosh, did you hear that? And keeping it going, Usain Bolt makes divorce court.
You know who Usain Bolt is? It's from Jamaica, one of the fastest runners in the world. I want you to put on a pair of those sneakers that you have, and I don't want you to walk, I want you to run away from this relationship.
And now let's get into our entertainment news. Season 3 of Sex Education is now out. No, literally, this is every character in a Sex Education. Now keeping it moving, low-ride jeans make a fashion comeback. No, you see, no matter how bad your life is going, you cannot feel more useless than that brother's belt.
Words can bring me.
And now to our final story. Woman catches fiancé cheating with her best friend at a local karaoke bar. Okay, but can we talk about that was absolutely the wrong song choice? Because you see, if it was a real Jamaican woman, this would have been the selection. Oh, well, that is it, ladies and gentlemen. We've come to the end of another Dutty News, where I talk about random stories that I find on my timeline. Do take care until next time. Oh shoot, I forgot to talk about the viewer's choice. Anyway, we can do that next time. Bye-bye.